In this example, I'm going to show you how to check your document in preparation for print. And here I've got a very simple layout, Lewis Carroll's Through the Looking Glass. And if I zoom out first, I can have a quick overview of my pages as I scroll down just to see the standard layout. So for example, here I can see I've got a blank page here. I scroll all the way down, see any other blank pages or any short text on pages. Have I got like a page with only 1 or 2 lines and so on and so forth. So I'm not checking the text and layout per se, but here you go. See, I've got another blank page. I'm going to leave them in, but these are things that you may want in or may not. So you need to check those as well. And I'll scroll all the way to the end. See, there's a page where I've got a little bit of text and it's mostly blank. And on the last one, I've got a blank page as well. So you need to check those to see what's going on. I'm going to zoom back in and go back to the home page. All I did there, I'm on a Mac, I did Command 0, which is fit page in window, Control 0 on a PC, and then I press the home button on my keyboard to go back to the first page. So check your pages first, check the standard layout. Obviously as well, you can do a spell check. I won't do that here, but you can do a spell check, very straightforward. Add any unusual words, etc. you can add to your dictionary just to check to make sure they're okay. I've also got up my paragraph styles and my character styles. You should be using style sheets. They make your life a lot easier. So check that they're all applied properly. So here, for example, everything is on the body paragraph style, except I've got headings as well. So here, for example, chapter 1 is on the heading style, and there are others I can use, subheadings, TOC, and I've created one called keywords, highlight, and URL. All you have to do is set them up, create a new style sheet, give them a name, and there you go. You see, double click, name them what you want, and change all the settings. There are quite a few settings, but go through and check that they do what you want. And I don't need these 2 new ones, and we'll get rid of them. Now you see here it's played around. Let's go to heading. That's what it was. So when you're in text mode, as it were, when you're in the text box, playing around with the style sheets will apply it when you don't want to. So be a little bit careful. So you check your spelling, check your paragraph styles and character styles. Also check your links. You go to Window, bring up your links panel, and the links panel will show you all the images that you're linked to. And I haven't got much, just the one, so I'll click on it. It's a JPEG, it's on page 1, so I can click on the 1. There it is. And there's a color space, it's set to RGB, which for print is incorrect. It should be CMYK, so that's the first thing. I can check the size, the color profile, the resolution, the pixels per inch. For high quality print, it should be at least 300. So mine's too low. That's something else to check, and so on and so forth. So go through each one, check there's no errors here. You see the error column here? So like it's missing or something like that. So go through and check every image you've got. Also, under the edit menu, go down to your color settings, and in your color settings, check you've got your color profiles, your working spaces set up. Now you'll need to talk to your printer about this, your bureau, which one do they recommend, so you need to set it up properly. And if you bring in an image or open up a document and it's set differently to your working space, this is going to ask what you want to do. So if an image is set to 1, would you like to preserve it or convert to the working space? You need to decide what you want to do with that. And when you do convert it, how do you want to convert it? Also, check your master pages. Are they set up correctly? I've got 2 masters here. I'll double click on A master and you can see I've got the heading there, and B master. The only difference is you can see there's like a bleed, an edge color all the way around. Check are things in the right place. And again, I'll go to the first page. I've zoomed in and I'm going to do Alt page down and then Command Alt 0. That fits it to the window, and then keep on Alt page down so I can see for any movement and any layout issues, etc., etc. And Alt page up to jump from spread to spread. So go through and check the pages, the spreads, how they're all laid out.